This is my 5 days trip to Meghalaya. I went there with my friend Nishit and we explored many parts of it. We have captured everything that we could, and I'll show you how beautiful this place is in my 5-part travel series. So it's our day 2 in Meghalaya and it's really sunny right now and we're heading to Cherrapunji, which is like the wettest place on earth. Basically it receives the heaviest rainfall and I don't think it's gonna rain today because it's really sunny here and it's just 60 kilometers from here. So let's go and explore that.
There's still a lot of traffic today. Not a good sign at all.
Yes, हमने आज 8 बजे का aim किया था and it's 10 right now. We are again late, but tomorrow I'm gonna make sure that I'll wake up around 3 and by 4 I'll be ready and we'll fly drone and do some stuff and then we'll leave on time. Make sure I will do
Seriously,
that.
we got late today because of you.
No, not because of me, because
Yeah, right.
yeah, whatever.
अभी आगे जाके देखेगा तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा व्यू। आप देख के पागल हो जाएगा कहाँ आ गया हम लोग। इतना खूबसूरत जगह है, अब फील करेगा आगे।
So this is the first viewpoint in Cherrapunji called as कुर्बान ब्रिज। यहाँ पे एकदम से वेदर कितना चेंज हो गया। जब सुबह निकले थे तो कितनी धूप थी। जैसा कि मैंने कहा था चेरापूंजी यहाँ की वेटेस्ट प्लेस है, यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा रेनफॉल होता है और आज का वेदर बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। वाह, इट इज़ सो अमेजिंग। कितना प्यारा व्यू है यहाँ से। यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, सभी लोग वहाँ खड़े हैं ऊपर और ये चारों तरफ कितना प्यारा लग रहा है। वाह। have taken a stopover at this point, which is called as Seven Sister Waterfalls, and we are supposed to see 7 waterfalls here, but we cannot see anything because it's too cloudy right now, and we're gonna wait here for some time. If it gets clear, then we're gonna shot something, maybe with drone or something. Then we're gonna move to the next location, which is double-decker bridge, because that's really important. If you are in Cherrapunji, then you must, because if you're in Cherrapunji, then you must visit this place. So we're gonna wait here for some time. Let's see. So it's almost half an hour and the clouds are still not clear. We cannot see even one waterfall. Now I think it's time to move on, because we're not gonna see again. So it's our next point, Nihalika Falls. Again, it's too foggy and we cannot see anything. But the weather here is too pleasant, you know, all cloudy, foggy. See, everywhere it's full of clouds. But यहाँ पे आए तो हम फॉल्स देखने थे, वो फॉल्स नहीं देख पाए. मैंने फ़ोटोज़ में देखा था कि फॉल बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत बड़ा फॉल है ये. बट अभी कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. लगा ही था कि चेरापूंजी में सबसे ज़्यादा बारिश होती है. पता चला कि क्यों होती है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमेशा ही ऐसा वेदर रहता है. यस, सी, सब एकदम फॉग से भरा हुआ. अभी हमें डबल डेकर ब्रिज भी जाना है, वो मेन था आज का. और अभी 3-3:30 बज चुके हैं. यहाँ पे दिक्कत क्या है मेघालय में कि 5 बजे पूरी सनलाइट चली जाती है, तो आप ज़्यादा देर शूट नहीं कर सकते. आपको जल्दी सुबह उठना पड़ेगा, जल्दी आना पड़ेगा, जल्दी जाना पड़ेगा. पर हमारे साथ ये दिक्कत हो रही है कि हम जल्दी आ नहीं पाए, इसलिए नहीं हो पाया. ज़रूर ट्राई करेंगे जल्दी सुबह उठने की.
So I think double-decker bridge will not be possible today because we are way too late. It takes like 2 hours just to trek downstairs for double-decker bridge. So what we have decided is we'll go around and look at the rest of the viewpoint which are there nearby. And tomorrow early in the morning we are going to start for double-decker bridge. Right now we have stopped at this point which is called as Wakhaba Falls. Like the views from here are like really amazing, and Ankit is flying his drone. We'll take some shots and after some time we'll start from here and we'll explore the places around. So this place is called as Eco Park, and this is the place from where the Seven Sister Waterfall starts. Like that's the origin of the Seven Sister Waterfalls.
Yeah, so we have been very unfortunate today that we couldn't see even one waterfall. So right now we are heading to this peak point, and I'm really hoping that we would be able to see something from here, because right now it's not that cloudy. So let's go and find out.
Yeah, it's been very foggy, so let's just check out from the peak point.